Today, Quacky has learned what's inside of the Earth.
So let's make an Earth with our hands.
Yeah! Quacky loves to do crafts.
Tap to see what materials need to be used. Colored clay, toy knife, rolling pin, clay model. Let's get started. The outer core and the inner core are put together and are called the Earth's core. Which color should we use for the Earth's core? Use your hands to knead the clay together. It's done! Next, let's make the mantle. Which color should we use? Use your hands to knead the clay together. Use the rolling pin to make it flat. The mantle should be wrapped around the Earth's core. Next, let's make the Earth's crust. What color should we use? Use your hands to knead the clay together. Use the rolling pin to make it flat. The crust is done too. That's awesome! There are many lands on Earth. Place the lands on the Earth. Let's decorate your Earth. The Earth is done! You're great! Use the toy knife to cut open the Earth. What does it look like Look! It looks like this. Do you remember what they're called?
The crust, the mantle, the core? Quacky can identify them all!
Quacky is so clever.
Quack, 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 quack.